Hi everyone, have you ever wished your images could jump out of the screen? Well, today is your lucky day. We are about to unlock the secret of the three-dimensional pop-out effect using Canva. This incredible technique, also known as the out-of-bound effect, creates the illusion of three-dimensionality by making your images appear to break free from the frame. It's easier than you think, and the results are absolutely stunning. So grab your mouse and let's get started. So let's see how we can create this beautiful popping out effect in Canva. So first of all, we will go to Homepage and create a new design by clicking on Add New. And then we go to Design and you can create a new design. You can look for any option, any custom size, or by default there are different sizes available. You can choose whichever you want. So in this case, let's pick up A4 page, A4 landscape, and the window will appear. So in here, let's look at different options. So first of all, we want to create a screen. So the screen can be your laptop or your Mac or your TV screen. So first of all, we will go to Elements section, and here we will simply type in frame. And in the frame, you will see this option. You click on See All, and there are a lot of frames here. You can choose whichever you want based on your requirement. If you are creating a photo frame, you can use this square frame. If you are using a Mac or iPhone or laptop, you can use different frames. So in today's tutorial, we are going to use Mac. I will click on that and I will increase the size a little bit, and I will keep it in the center here. And now let's look for an image. So we can choose whichever we want. So in this tutorial, I will look for a baby, and I will go to the photographs, and you can choose. There are so many adorable babies, right? So let's pick up this image, and I will click on that. And once I drag it, you will see the image fits in that Mac screen. It automatically adjusts that and fits in there. But what I need is I want to zoom in that image, and I want the head to be coming out of that screen from the top. So how we can do that? So I will double click on this image, and you will see the size of the image with the four corners. You can increase the size by just clicking and dragging it like this. And then you can adjust it how you want the image to be coming out. You can adjust the way you want it, but in this particular image, I want to make sure arm is at the edge of the screen. And we can increase the size a little bit further and adjust a little bit again here. And now you can see once we click outside that dimensions, the photograph is embedded into that frame, but the face is not coming out of the screen. So what we will do is we will bring the second image, click on that, and here we will adjust the size. And first of all, I will click on the transparency and reduce it so we can see how it looks like, and we need to adjust it accordingly. So we will bring the arms here and we will increase the size, and we will adjust it here so it fits perfectly on the previous image. And you will see here by a little bit of adjustment and the sizing, the photograph will fit exactly the way we want it, and it looks pretty good out here. Now I will increase the transparency to 100% so we can see, and I will click on the image and then click on background remover. And what it will do is it will remove the background, and here I will crop the image so it just fits in the screen, and you will see it looks pretty amazing right now. And you will see here the corner, that corner is coming out as well. So you can just use the arrow to adjust it so it is just in line with the boundary of the screen. And here you go. So this is how we can create a pop-out effect using Canva. And the outcome is amazing, you can see. And you can make your flat images to pop out from the screen in just a few minutes. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by commenting in the section below, and stay tuned for more such tutorials using Canva.